Hello everybody, today we're going to replace a exterior doorknob. We've had some issues with it opening. It seems to be getting jammed up on the inside. So we bought a new one, pretty cheap, and we've been redoing some stuff anyway. So eventually we're going to get a new door, but in the meantime I went and bought a $10 knob from Home Depot. So we're going to go ahead and change this out. Pretty easy process. The first thing is to take out the screws, that one's actually missing one, which is probably part of my issue. And this screw here, and then it'll all come out. So usually you want the door open first. I didn't really think about it, so I didn't take it all the way out yet. So we'll just finish taking this the rest of the way, and these just pull right off. And then from the exterior, same thing, that'll just pull right out. And then on the sides here, we're gonna have two screws here and here to take out the center part. And then this should just pull right out as well. So old one's out, and we'll get the new one in. This is the new one that we're putting in. Like I said, it's just kind of a cheap one from Home Depot to get us by. Till we get the new door, then we'll either put this back on or might just buy a nicer one at that point. So we'll go ahead and open this up, and you can see it's similar pieces. We have our knob, our latch, and then it comes with the mounting screws and the plate, as well as some instructions here. So go ahead and open all this stuff up. And there's our screws and everything else. So our first step is to put in the latch piece. So let's go back up to our door here. We'll slide that in. It's the same size as the last one, so no issues with that. But if it was going to be an issue, I believe that you can use this instead, and that part pops off, and you can put this piece and slide it right in here, something like that. But ours fits perfectly fine, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. Just make sure, the round side's going toward the door. All right, I'm gonna use the same screw holes that were there previously. So I'm just gonna put it loose first so I can get both screws in. And there's our second. All right, so that part's in. And then for our knobs, usually the exterior side goes in first. Now you do want to make sure you get your keyhole facing the right way. All right, so our next step is to insert the knob. You usually start with the exterior side, and then you pick whichever one is centered. Mine is this one here. So as that slides in, just hold that up, and it slips right in. So then you go to the inside. All right, so we got both screws in the knob. So you want to put it in and shoot for that first, lining up that first one. Once it gets on there, you want to start working on the second one to get the other side lined up, as it is fairly a pain in the butt to get those all lined up exactly. We got one, so now you gotta look in there and try to get the next one also lined up. Once you do, tighten them in. And then come back with a screwdriver, make sure they're tight. If you try to do it with this, you're gonna strip out the screws. But our knob is in now. I already have the old strike plate on here, so I'm not worried about putting a new one on. Like I said, it's kind of temporary. So, close it. Opens right back up. Lock it. All good. And we're all set. You know, and then the keys comes with 2 keys, so we can get in there and then we can lock it. And we are all set. So that is how you switch out a knob, a doorknob on a door. Interior doors work, yeah, basically the same. It's just you might not have the lock depending on, you know, bedroom, bathroom, or just a closet or whatever. So that, my friends, is how we do that. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave those in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and we will talk to you soon.